Idhum. Members of the Tigray People's Democratic Movement (TPDM), known as Demhit, has returned to Eritrea, and chairman of opposition party Arena Tigray, Abraha Desta, reportedly escapes kidnapping attempt. Chairman of opposition party Arena Tigray, Abraha Desta said unknown persons tried to kidnap him in Mekelle on Sunday evening. Hours earlier, a post of Abraha's official Facebook claimed that unknown people in a dolphin van tried to kidnap him in Kebele 18 of the regional capital. He wrote that the operation might have been an attempt to intimidate the opposition following the mass rallies held in several towns of Tigray against the regional government on the same day. Abraha said that he was safe following the alleged incident. Amdam Gebreselassie, the communication head of Arena, has accused of the regional intelligence organization for the foiled kidnapping attempt, citing eyewitnesses. A member of the leadership of the Tigray People's Democratic Movement (TPDM), known locally as Demhit, Sigabu, has been arrested in Adigrat town, Amdam wrote on his Facebook page. TPDM is an ex-rebel group formed in 2001 in Eritrea, and over 2,000 of its members returned to Tigray 2 years ago. Frustrated by the situation in Tigray, some of the members are heading back to Eritrea, according to Amdam. TPDM accused of TPLF failing to implement pledges of the reintegration of the members into the regional army. Members of the group revealed how the TPLF imprisoned and used them for political gain. Demhit said the corrupt Wayani officials' main focus is their personal and financial gains and not interested in making a genuine peace with Ethiopians and Eritreans. However, Wayani is treating the Ethiopian people and federal government with contempt by refusing to get rid of Eritrean opposition groups and disobeying the decision by the Permanent Court of Arbitration to hand over Eritrea's territories. The Eritrean gambler Mesfin Hagos and others are still funded and based in Tigray. Demonstrators in several towns of Tigray Region, including Shire Endaselassie and Wajirat, went onto the streets on Sunday calling on the region's ruling party, the Tigray People's Liberation Front (TPLF), to respect the rule of law, improve infrastructure and create employment opportunities, Radio Fana reported. The demonstrators carried slogans protesting about widespread nepotism and the abandonment of the masses by elite leadership. Protesters in Wajirat, among others, complained that their demand for their own district has gone unheeded, according to Fana. However, the Tigray Communication Affairs Bureau on its Facebook page has denied reports that there were demonstrations in Shire Endaselassie and Wajirat and its environs. The Bureau published a lengthy statement accusing the federal government and media of trying to weaken and divide the region. It asked the Ethiopian Broadcasting Corporation to take measures against the media houses that disseminated reports that aren't true.
Idhum. እንደምታየው ከአዲስ አበባ ሸሽተው የሄዱ የደህንነት ቡድንም እንዳለ የሥርዓቱ ቅልብተኞች የነበሩ ተጠቅለው መቀሌ ውስጥ ሰፍረዋል
ይባል ወለዳለ እሱን እንዳይከፈል እና እነዚህ ጫናዎች አድርገን በአጭር ጊዜ ትግራይን ከህወሓት መንጋጋ ለማላቀቅ የተመሰረተ ድርጅት ነው
ለፖለቲካ ፐርፐስ ተጠቅመው ትግራይ ዳግም የጦርነት ቦታ እንዲሆን እየጣሩ ነው ያሉት ምሽጋቸው ያ ነው ህዝቡ አሁን ጥያቄያቸው ስለማይፈታላቸው ዞር በሉ ያላቸው ያላቸው አማራጭ ህዝቡን ይዘው ወደ ጦርነት መግባት ነው አሁን ፈንቅል እዚህና ላይ ነው የሚመጣው እኛ ጦርነት አንፈልግም ምንዋጋው እንትንም የለም እንደ ትግራይ ህዝብ እንደ ትግራይ ልጅ ከማንም አካል ምንዋጋው የለም ወያኔ ብቻ ነው ከሻዕቢያም ከኢትዮጵያ መንግስትም ከአማራ ክልልም መዋጋት የሚፈልገው